Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. After the recent updates, things have changed a little. There's many new things that you should pay attention to. Let's jump into the TikTok app and let me show you. The first thing I want to show you, stop losing your time trying to find a new trend or the new system to make money on the feed, okay? All you gotta do is to go ahead and click on the upper left corner. Do you see the live icon button? Okay, click on live. And now this is where the magic happens, okay? Now you will be able to essentially see what people are actually making money out of. So there is two ways to approach the live streams. First of all, it's either people who are selling physical products, like as you can see over here, or there are people who are simply selling content, selling courses, selling programs, educational. You might be, gym coach, you might be a chef, you might be, motivational speaker, guru, psyche. In this particular example over here, I see this guy almost every single day. I'm not following the guy, I'm not into coins, I'm not into anything. But the reason that every single day I got this live stream recommended on my feed is simply mind-blowing. As you can see, they're having 46,000 likes on this particular live stream so far, and the guy obviously is selling stuff. The guy obviously is passionate and is doing his business. So don't forget that you can live stream anywhere you are as long as you are the business owner, right? If you're an employee, most likely you're not going to be able to do it, but if you're the business owner, you can live stream your products, you can live stream your services, you can resell stuff. The other day I saw a guy who was simply reselling his used clothes. He put them on the hanger, he put them on the closet, and then he was just showing from the actual wardrobe one by one the items, and people were buying it. See, somebody else is selling other stuff over here, like pills, and I don't know. The main point is, you see this guy probably is a driver, right? And he just chilling with people. He's live streaming and people probably give him a tip, give him rewards. They're chilling with him. Essentially, this is the way to make the real money over here, to be as real as possible, and to be more open and to show people what you actually do. Like I said, some people are making money here just from contributions from the viewers, just from getting tips. It's not about selling products always. This guy over here is selling products. So this guy over here is probably selling this handmade wooden stuff. It's all about coming up with whatever ideas or passion you have, and you just pop up over here and start talking about it, right? It's very easy to talk about something that you know and that you're good at. This is how you're gonna make the most money, and you're gonna grow very fast on TikTok. Don't lose your time on feed. Don't lose your time trying to catch up the recent trend, or like these dances, or like trending sounds. It's simply losing your time. This is the way to grow and make a lot of money. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe, and of course, come back for more.